You might think that Samsung is the biggest competitive smartphone company to Apple globally, but let me tell you, this is true. No more. Coming next. Peace on you, brothers and sisters. TechTube here with a new video speaking about what could be the biggest smartphone brand company dethroning Apple. Yes, Huawei declares ambition to be number one after dethroning Apple, and by numbers, it has risen to be the world's second biggest smartphone brand, and it aims to reach the top of the pile by the end of next year. This giant Chinese company shipped more than 95 million phones in the first 6 months, up about 30% from last year. Consumer Division Chef Richard Yu on Friday said he wants Huawei to be number one in smartphones by the first quarter of next year, with a market share of more than 20%, despite acknowledging its virtual absence in a pivotal US market. Huawei this year overcame a global slump by grabbing sales from Apple and current leader Samsung. The fast-growing consumer division has helped Huawei, the leader in global telecommunications equipment, get past lackluster demand from carriers globally. Despite barely making a dent in the US, it has managed to build a strong presence in $600 plus phones in markets from Europe to Africa, which in turn allowed it to break Apple's and Samsung's years-long stronghold on the global market. Yu's comments came just hours after Apple hit $1 trillion in market value. By taking aim at Samsung, it is also targeting an Asian powerhouse that dominates not just the phone market, but also semiconductors and displays. Huawei has expressed its intention of hitting 200 million smartphone units this year, a bar that only Samsung and Apple have achieved. To do that, it must grow its shares of an intensely competitive yet slowing market. Huawei will need to lure even more buyers away from competitors in already saturated markets like China and Europe, which Xiaomi and Oppo are also targeting. Now it's time to know your thoughts. Do you think Huawei is going to succeed in overtaking Apple and claiming the throne of the smartphones industry? Let us know in the comment section below. You can also check about OnePlus 7, the next 5G supported phone from the eye above. Enough talking, and let's take you to the latest product from Huawei, the Nova 3, the beast of mid-range phones. This phone is an amazing piece of art with its iris purple twilight colors and its 6.3 inches HD Plus display with an aspect ratio of 16:9. It also comes with a dual rear camera, 16 and 24 megapixels. And what's different in this model that it has two selfie camera, a 24 megapixels main shutter plus 2 megapixel camera pro focus. In this handset, you have 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage. Finally, we have a Kirin 970 processor, and powering up this handset, 3750 mAh of battery. If you are interested, you can check the affiliate links in the description box below. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, activate the notification bell, and leave your comment below. Finally, smash the like button. That was TechTube. See you in the next video. Peace out.